mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Mate, it's windy here and I'm back from Greece. Finally, back to doing the videos over here with our Aussie muscle cars and Euro and American stuff as a nice XC back there takes off. And yeah, I'm over here at Penrith Homemaker tonight, battling this wind. I hope you can hear me. So we'll be filming the cars rolling in to this car show from Cars Under the Stars here at Penrith Homemaker. So you grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The Commodores rolling in. Nice and tough, got a bit of a roll cage happening. Comes one beefy sounding Commodore VF SS. Yes sir, listen to that. He's angry. That's an angry one, yes indeed. Beast XC across the road. XC Coupe is the Ford. Beautiful. Check out this tough XC black coupe. Yes sir. Beautiful colour, look at the paint on that, huh? Nice. Nice V8 Burble. Commodore SS in the grey. Nice. V8 Commodore. Yes, indeed. Sound like about a 302 in that. Beautiful. Another Commodore there. The XR8 Ute. Very nice. Nice beasts coming in. Oh, these guys are brave. I tell ya, they're brave. Coming in the cold in their tea buckets. Oh yes. Let's have a look at these beasts. Big thick tyres on the back. Wide. HSV Commodore. There's a mighty mean Charger and the Valiant behind it, the Regal. Comes one Gemini. In the green. beasts. Nice station wagon across there, sounding nice and mean. Got the clubby, the beautiful grey, greyish black, nice, the R8, and the bird. The Wild Charger. How you going, lad? Beautiful. Hope the whole ground is shaking. And the Valiant, immaculate. How we going? Beautiful. Two Hemis together. Yes, indeed. Balls are sounding okay. Got the Statesman. How old, buddy? Beautiful. Wild. Ooh, check that out. Got the Forester. Subaru. And a Commodore wagon looking very, very tough and sounding mean as well. Must have a supercharger or something under that. Unless it's a gear drive. Lovely sounding. The best. Oh, look at that tough beast. Holden GTS Monaro 4-door. Wild stuff, yes sir. Looks immaculate Gemini, eh? Beautiful. Immaculate beasts rolling in, ladies and gentlemen. Bit of a system going on in the Mazda. A bit of music playing in the background, so we've muted the original track. Won't be long before the original stuff's back. Commodore wagon VL, beautiful, immaculate. And a bit more music over here, won't be long now. Got the Datsun Bluebird. Nice Datto. Have a look at the back of that. A couple of tweets here. Listen to this tough sounding Holden. Beautiful stuff. The wall shed. Fantastic stuff. Kid in the back. No worries. AMG. Check out that beautiful Ford station wagon, huh? Immaculate. What a beauty. Nice two-tone colour, I love the roof and the rest of the body. Immaculate. Rover. And the Valiant. Chic stuff. Got in at the right time. A couple of Ford Beasts here. Wild XW. How you going, lad? Welcome back. Welcome back to Sydney.
Welcome back. There you go, mate.
The Ford. The Ford Patrol is here, ladies and gents. Beautiful sounding XW. This immaculate Futura. Two-door, lovely. Couple of tough Mustangs. Two together. Yes, sir. Looking very, very tough. Nice wide stance. Beautiful colours. Hey! How are you, brother? And there's Tony and the GTR Nissan. Wild. The Audi. This is Commodore looking immaculate. And the Mini, yes indeed. And the Skylos. Woofy, woofy, woofy. Yes sir. VL, this is Group A, HTT, in immaculate condition. Lovely, look at that. Beautiful shine to it. Got the 55 Chevy rolling in. Nice sick colour combo. A mad Tirana and the blue sounding very, very beefy. Looking immaculate, yes sir. Love it, look at that. The lovely two-tone coloured one, I see quite regularly. Love this thing. There you go. Beasts, ladies and gents. Very, very tough looking. Wild sounding ute board. Ford Mustang in immaculate nick. WRX Impreza, yes sir, looking nice and tough. The Boxer sound, Beamer, a wild sounding rotor, yes sir. What immaculate. The Ford Motorcraft XE 17 looking tough. How you going? Beautiful. Alright, we've got a bit of music playing here. Now these bikes did sound fantastic. So I've had to lower the volume here so that we don't get a copyright strike from Mr. YouTube. Just bear with us. Won't be long before the original sound comes back. Turbo absolute beast. More music over here. Now, they must have had it blaring over the speakers. I couldn't remember hearing it there. Right, this wild looking GTS. And the Mazda RX-8s. Commodore, yes sir, VF. Nice. In the red. Standing out. And the Mini. In immaculate nick. Ford XR6. Nice. Got the bike. Look at that. Beautiful. Check out this tough Ford, ladies and gents, a Ford Falcon 1963 model. Look at the colour on that, huh? Nice. Look at the wheels, beautiful. The Jag, looking spiky. Daytona, yes sir. Looking very, very tough and mean. The NSX with a beautiful blue colour. Check out the little sparkles on the lady specs. Very nice. Sounding tough. Monster. Old Commodore Clubby in the silver, looking immaculate. Commodore, and another wild, I think it's an SS. A couple of beasts there. Camera showing it to be a nice dark blue. Like to you. How are you, lad? All good? It's actually green. Yes, sir. Changing colour, nice pearl. Tirana, ladies and gents, with the big wide wheels. Simmons looking sick. Get a bit of a look at the rear of these beasts. Looking nice and tough. Here's one very mean looking Fortuna. Very, very angry. We heard that beast behind it, 61 Holden. Beefy engine in that. Wild car this, see? Look at the paint on it. Nice sounding. Another 1 tonner. Yes sir, the Holden Ute. Check out this lineup of beasts. Hot rod. Immaculate condition. And another one following. The orange looking 6. Got the GT, ladies and gents. Immaculate. The blue and the white striping. There's another one behind it as well. Very short GTP. Beautiful shop of cars, full immaculate. And another GT. Check them out from the back, huh? Nice. This one's immaculate as well. Beautiful colour. Nice paint. Looking brand new. This purple one as well, looking sick.
Costs nothing, doesn't it?
Sorry?
There's no entry fee, is there?
I think there is.
Fuck, I haven't got a cent.
I'll pay for you.
Alright.
The car deserves to be in there. Beautiful.
This is sick, mate.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, and the older GT, the XY. Let's look at the beautiful Beamer M3. Looking sick. XY GT in a beautiful yellow. Looking sick. And one tough Commodore blown 3K. Wild stuff. The whole ground shaking. Earthquake, ladies and gents. Earthquake. Sure. Looking sweet. And the Camaro, immaculate, love the colour. Look at that, nice. Actually looks better through the camera than in life. It's only the angle. It's beautiful. Magic shine. XW station wagon GS. Still got a big lineup of cars here. GT CS Ford Mustang, beautiful. Tirana, stock standard. Yes sir, looks like a daily driven beast.
I didn't have time to wash it.
That's alright mate. Barn find. Beautiful. Orange F6, ladies and gents. What a beautiful colour this is. Very nice. How you going, lad?
Well, man.
Nice. Sick stuff. beautiful Camaro in the red and black combo. Looking sweet. Nice dark tinted windows, magic rims. And the one behind it in the black, looking very, very tough as well. Sick. Nice burble, V8 sound. Great turned out of cars. How we going? All good?
All good.
That's the way, lads. So the Toyota. Check out this wild Mustang, eh? That's a sick colour. Beautiful stuff. The Merc. The Audi. There's a beast coming across there. See. The RXA following. Commodore in the blue. One wild veal. Calais. The back too, yes indeed. Red Commodore SS. Nice rims. Check out the beasts coming over here too, eh? Magic lineup. Whoa, beast, how are you, lad? Beautiful. Listen to that, ladies and gents. Dummy setter. Yes, sir. RX-8. The lovely Dado. How you going, lad? Big power, a lot of torque there. Just watch the take off into the air. Yes, sir. The Toyota wagon. Oh, just check out this immaculate 63B 64 station wagon. Beautiful. Nice. Mate, what a turnout tonight, huh? Sick stuff. Tirana. GDR looking immaculate. Got the Monaro, beautifully presented. Nice rings. Got the Wild Commodore, Clubby, station wagon, immaculate. The Ford F100 looking beautiful in that orange. Nice. One Wild VK Commodore in the gleaming white. Fully immaculate. Immaculate XR50, yes sir, beautiful. In the black. Wild. There's another Commodore. SS, in the white. Nice V8 Burble. SS Commodore HCT. Beast is coming, ladies and gents. What is it, a beetle? It's gone up the other side. And I think George is coming in the Dado. Yes, sir. Georgie boys, welcome back, man. Instead of them saying welcome back to me, I'm saying welcome back to them. The Clubby in the red. Still got the camiseta sticker? Yes, he has. Nice. Oh, check out the top Cortina. Sick stuff, yes sir. Listen to that, huh? Music to my ears. Have a look at the wild Porsche. Lockdown, sick and sporty. GT3. Immaculate GTI. Commodore. Brilliant. Skyline. The Mazda as the GTI takes off. So look at that. Commodore in the yellow looking tough, and another one in that grey silver colour. Sweet. It's all happening tonight.
And one thing that I do want to mention, ladies and gentlemen, one thing we don't do is touch anybody's car. Unless it's your car, unless you've got the keys for it, unless you've got the registration, do not.
Skyline GTR, immaculate. One of these guys taking a shortcut. Beautiful blue U. Commodore and the Ford Mustang in a lovely light blue colour. Mate, what a turnout. They're coming in droves tonight, ladies and gents. All these beasts. Look at our line up at here. Well, that immaculate this is. Beautiful red and black. And some of the tough beasts. Commodore again. Nice big calipers on it. There we go, lad. Pretty good. Nice beasts, check them out once again. Look at the back. There you go. Lovely Monaro. And of course another lovely HSV. XU8. Nice. Beast Ford truck F100. Full immaculate.
100 metres down on your left hand side is a male, female and disabled toilet. Thank you very much for your attention.
Hot rod. Mint condition. Got the V-dub. Going on a bit of a holiday. The Dado station wagon. I'll check out the roots on that, huh? See. Beautiful. That is one beastie looking Nissan, ladies and gents. RX-7. The Wall WRX STI. Toyota MR2. Bit of a wild beast coming across the road, and another stock. How you going? Yeah, straight through. Nice bike. Better hold on one time. There you go, lad. One wild Toyota. Majesta. The Veil. And that wall holding. Oh, she's windy. I'll tell you that. Very windy. Icy cold winds. The Stinger Kia GT. Beautiful blue. Another Veil. Check out this immaculate beast. Beautiful. Holden. Look at the bikes. All immaculate. And the Honda. Yes, sir. Had a couple of these in Greece. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support as always. And I'm back now, so there'll be many more videos to come. So we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.